wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 5 best glucose monitors for pets. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 5, the cera-pet can store up to 1,000 results, so it can help you track long-term trends, and includes a lancet that offers 5 depth settings. Unfortunately, according to some studies, it often reports levels that are incorrectly low. The instructions are easy to follow, and it comes with 2 calibration code keys. It requires 5 microliters of blood. At number 4, compact enough to keep on hand at all times, the ipet Pro is a smart choice for people who take their furry companions everywhere they go. It accepts both venous and capillary blood samples, so you have some flexibility as to where you can prick your dog or cat. It includes a display with large digits and a logbook. It turns on when a strip is inserted. Coming in at number 3 on our list, the Advocate Pettest allows users to quickly change its settings from one species to another, and provides visual confirmation of your selection, making it a good choice for multi-animal households. It's simple to use and requires no coding. It includes 25 lancets and the required batteries, and its test strips are affordable too. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for glucose monitors for pets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the vetmate starter kit has been proven to be one of the most accurate meters in independent testing, so you can be confident in its results. It's equipped with a negative LCD that's easy to read in most lighting conditions, and is shaped to fit comfortably in the hand. It includes a strip ejection button and can store up to 500 readings, but it only comes with 10 strips and lancets. And taking the top spot on our list, the zoetis Alpha Track 2 is a solid choice for getting the job done with minimal fuss. It requires just 0.3 microliters of blood, so you'll rarely have to prick your pet again for another sample, and alerts you with a confirmation sound when it has enough. It provides results in seconds and features automatic settings for cats and dogs. It includes a calibrating liquid. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for glucose monitors for pets, or simply click beneath this video.